Chinese beauty hacks are often rooted in centuries-old traditions and natural remedies. Here are a few. Green tea face mask. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Mix green tea powder with honey or yogurt to create a soothing face mask. Facial Gua Sha. Gua Sha involves gently scraping the skin with a flat jade or rose quartz tool to promote circulation and lymphatic drainage, resulting in a more radiant complexion. Rice water toner. Rice water is believed to brighten and tighten the skin. Simply soak rice in water for about 30 minutes, strain, and use the water as a toner. Subaki oil, derived from camellia flowers. Subaki oil is a popular moisturizer in Chinese skincare routines, known for its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Acupressure massage. Applying pressure to specific points on the face can stimulate blood flow, reduce puffiness, and even promote relaxation, contributing to a healthier-looking complexion.
Unlock the key to endless inspiration by subscribing now, and don't forget to like and share to spread the joy.